Hello guys, I was saying that welcome to my channel. In the previous video I um, shared everything about this duping, as I call it, by this by these people. Michael, one of them, right? I'm also going to share his email ID. This is his email ID. I've You see this? infx.com michael.s@team.2 emails, right? Here I have written a mail asking for my uh, basic funds that I invested. I asked him. There is one more person, this, who contacts you upon registering in that in that space that comes beneath the Narayan Murthy video. There is the link comes up there. When you click and register, this person contacts you. At least this he contacted me. It may be someone else who contacts you. I also sent to his email asking for my basic withdrawal amount, right? So all right, so now this platform, as I say, I am explaining a bit so that in case you register here and you want to say earn $100 or $200 and you don't want to take orders from your manager, I would not suggest you invest money at all in these kind of things. But like I said yesterday, I made a $980 profit and I am regretting that I instantly did not withdraw that amount. So just so people who have already invested, or so that you are never fooled by a manager. Alright, so you should never listen to your manager. I'm telling you, they look for their own profits, they look for profit of the company, they look for profit of the biggies and their own profits. You will be at the you will be the one to be at the loser end. So here, okay, as you can see at the left bottom most corner, you can see a balance. Left bottommost balance $0.94. I had here $980 yesterday, right? And I was left with $28. I have clicked on the withdrawal and it is left with $94.94. all right, this credit you see next to the balance, this credit is the $100 given by the company, that $100 given by the company from their side as a, you can say, leverage, as a discount. Like I said, they give $100 upon registration. Okay, so profit and loss, when you click on the next tab is profit and loss. It shows profit and loss when you click on trade. When you are doing trade, minus, it goes to it is now showing 0.00. Say it is saying it is reading minus $7, so it means $7 loss, plus $7, or plus sign is not shown, but only $7 means a $7 profit. Okay, the next amount is equity. Equity is something that you do business with, that you here the equity amount will be inclusive of my balance. The balance and the credit together makes up the equity. Used margin, the next tab, means how much of the equity has been put to trading, upon which the profit will be generated. And they keep a free margin here. The next tab is free margin, means supposedly you have got 5 lakhs, out of which upon 2 lakhs you are doing the trading, So 3 lakhs is your margin. Okay, so you always need to have a good margin, they say. But it is also someone with good expertise that they can make profit with only $200. I'm telling you. But the manager is going to look out for ways to make you invest more and more. He will never guide you properly. Right? So this is the this is what I wanted to convey. Then the margin level, this varies as you when you are doing trade. It will show the numbers going up and down based on the trades. Alright, now you see this graph here. Alright, in the center of the screen you can see a sell button and a buy button. So here it is reading 1.07320 as sell, 1.707352 as buy. It is reading buy amount is more than sell. So it is a basic logic that when you buy something at a lower price and you sell something at a higher price, you make a profit, right? But the manager directs you whether to sell or to buy depending upon his expertise. If you are not if you are not so much into trading, you wouldn't know whether to click on the sell or the buy. I think he did not explain this to me. Here on the left side, you see this asset area where there are many currencies. There is the asset name, then there is the price, change, high low. You see the price here. The price is changing. I think what they do is they take up this price and they calculate whether the price is lesser than or greater than sell or buy amount, and upon which they decide whether to click on sell or buy. This is my understanding. Right, when the price is lower than the sell, they will be asking to click on the sell button. Or when the price is higher than I do not have that much knowledge here, right? I cannot misinform you, so I am not very sure regarding this, so I'm not able to explain this thing. I do not want to misguide anyone, which is why it is my understanding that they decide the sell or buy based upon this price to generate a profit, right? Now there are so many asset names. Okay, here above this category, this asset name, there is the favorites, currencies, commodities, cryptocurrency. These are various sectors in which you trade, various sectors where you put money. These are various areas where you put your money, where the money is put and traded, upon which profit or loss is generated. Favorites, currencies, there are so many currencies. Euro, USD, GBP, USD, JPY. There are so many currencies where now you do not click randomly without any knowledge what to trade, right? So you see here commodities. I clicked on commodities. There are so many commodities. Gold and anything, when you select, it comes beneath asset is available for trade. When you select a commodity, it should come here. Okay, so you see so many commodities. You see here the last one, crude oil. It generates great profits. As of now, it gave me a good profit. I'm sure if I had gone with it, I would have made great profits. He misguided me by, he simultaneously, the fourth trade he opened on crude oil, I made a profit on crude oil. Then he again opened another fourth trade on crude oil, which was garnering me profits. Simultaneously, he opened a trade on palladium. You see, the sixth one from last, palladium, and it, because I did not have any balance, he should have taken. What did he think of doing? He craftily removed the trades he got them stopped from his end, so that I cannot withdraw. My withdrawal amount reduced to 28. That video also I'm showing that yesterday I recorded a video regarding the history that I'm showing. Okay, so you see here, then there are you click on this is an arrow. There are other areas: cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks. Indices does not fetch you much profit, right? Alright, so now here we come to the middle section where you select a trade and it reflects the name here. Here under indices, the first name gets automatically selected, and it's reflecting US dollar index. You select a trade size, and you select, you get a margin. Like if you change this value 0.01 to say 1, the value changes. It shows the minimum required margin. You see some labels beneath the trade size: required margin. You see $52 is minimum required to invest in to make trade here. In minimum $52 you need to have in your wallet. Upon changing it to 2, you see $104 required margin changes to $104, right? You see the leverage here. Leverage means 1:200. This means that if you are investing in one, the background is provided by the company, 200 parts. And 200 units is equivalent to $20,000, 878. It is reading like that. Alright, so let us click on advanced trades. You see beside market execution, you see market execution. This is under the market execution tab. Beside that, advanced trades. I click on that. From here, you click on take profit. I cannot take profit because I don't have any balance. But you see here, take profit, then stop loss. These are all the functionalities to stop you from getting any loss, and you take a profit, right? You change the points, the price, and the profit is calculated. Okay, take profit means you get a profit. Again, as far as my understanding, take profit also means that the money won't go to loss if you have sufficient balance here. But where to put your money so that you are not required to invest more, is this knowledge is available to someone who is very much well versed with all this trading areas, right? The manager is never going to speak the truth or guide you properly. He will be looking out for opportunities to make you invest more and more wherever possible with his gimmicks, right? So let us come to this chart. You see there's a cursor. It keeps moving up and down. You see the cylinders, green cylinders, red cylinders. These are basically stock markets. You can say these are basically units where your money has been invested. I mean purchased and sell, purchased and sell. Upon selling your money, you get profit. When you invest some amount, that is with the buy green cylinder, and after that you get a big uh, red cylinder, means you get a good profit, right? So the cursor keeps going up and down. Then there are all right, this graph you need to monitor when you invest, when you start a trade, right? When you start a trade, you need to monitor this graph, and when it takes a profit, you need to close the trade at the exact time, so as to take the profit. This graph, according to the cursor moves, these changes, the equity amount, profit, loss, used margin, free margin, margin level, these all change, the values changes. Okay, so generally when there's a big red cylinder, you get positive profits, positive numbers. All right, now let us come to the lowermost the lowermost line, this line where there are certain symbols right side, a play button, a calculator, two arrows. You see, I'm clicking on the two arrows, right? Here you see, when you start a trade, it shows under this order ID, open time, asset, direction, volume. This is where yesterday he guided me that you see, look at the profit and you close at the exact time. He was not willing to, I caught this from his tone, he was not willing that I get to know this. So no doubt these videos will be reaching them. They will try to cover up with their own friend circle. It is possible that they make a few videos from their end with their own friend circle. Maybe they've paid their friend circle and uploaded videos that what I am saying is not correct. You invest more money. It is possible that these videos I am sharing on a public platform, they reach them and they cover it up with their own videos made by their friend circle. It is possible, but I am sharing genuine information, 100% my own personal experience I'm sharing here to protect your dear money. Right here you close. Now we do not have any trade open, so this is where yesterday both the trades were gone. They stopped the trades from their end, and whatever trading you do, it reflects in the history. You see, I'm unable to see. You see yeah. Now it is showing. You see, these are the trades I did. I already did 3 trades, and after that I was eligible for a withdrawal. I could have withdrawn. You don't say eligible. I could have withdrawn even after the second trade. They misguided me and got 2 more trades open to stop the withdrawal, to make me invest more. So how could they open the palladium one when there was not sufficient balance? Instantly it turned to negative upon opening 2 trades together. So crude oil generated good profits, but so you see, no, they did not. The history is still showing. The history has not been wiped out. It was not opening. I don't know why. Okay, so I have downloaded the PDF. Okay, so I'm going to show you certain screenshots that I took from yesterday. Alright, you see I clicked on the play button here, and you can take a start tour here. It will show you some details, guide you. The cursor moves here up and down the cylinders, right? These are the open and close values in dollars. The cursor moves up towards the high and towards the low. Alright, so no thanks. Here you deposit here by clicking on the deposit on the top right. You see, clicking on deposit, this opened. Alright, here you deposit, and the amount gets deposited. You need to deposit, you need to have, I think, yes, from your Indian banks the money will get deposited here. Then there is the banking option here, from where you see here withdrawal. Click on withdrawal and you can withdraw the money. You enter an amount. I do not have any money here to withdraw. I put in 1 here. Did you see the details? You need to have a SWIFT code. They misguided me that you needn't have any SWIFT code, but you need to have a SWIFT code of your bank account. Your Indian banks will have SWIFT code. You can either ask from the bank authorities, or you can look up in the net. Alright, so on the top right, you see the 3 vertical bars? I clicked on that and it opened this page. Here you get the option start trading now. I clicked on the information tab. They are showing details about the trading hours and information pertaining to this trading on an asset in details. Alright, so this was what I wanted to share. Pertaining to this platform, that after a trade, if you find your balance good, you can swiftly click on the banking and generate a withdrawal without consulting your manager. Your manager is likely to misguide you. You enter the amount here, click on next, fill in the details, and this will generate a mail. It will take some 5 days for an amount. But what will happen is, after investing, see, yesterday I could have withdrawn $400, right away after the trade without listening to him. And that amount would have got deducted from here. He couldn't have used that amount for trading. Upon opening a new trade, he wouldn't even have opened the Palladium if I had done that. I should have done it right away without listening to him. It was my biggest mistake to rely on the manager. Right, so these are certain things that I wanted to share for those who either have already invested or those who want to give it a try. But I won't suggest to go for this kind of thing. It is because I have not met these persons in person. I have no way to contact them upon a loss from my side. You see, I mail them, they won't be replying. They didn't even call me today. Yesterday, his friend called me. The last call I received from his friend, he did not call me. He said that he will be calling me today to assist me and all. He did not call me. They won't be calling you now. They won't be calling me now. They won't even be replying to my mails. So you see, it's a one-sided. I cannot approach them in any way. So this is where the reliability does not work. I should have thought about it, but this has opened my eyes, right? I have no way to approach these people to get back my basic invested funds. So this is what I wanted to show, that if by mistake you have invested, do not listen to your manager and simply withdraw your amount, your basic funds. Crude oil gives you a good profit. Alright, so take care everyone. Stay safe and happy. Bye bye. Yeah, I forgot to share that where from like how I stumbled upon this platform. There was a video on Facebook. It seems like this is the video. It is even saying that I stumbled upon it. Where is that video? How do I share? Just a second. I think this is the yeah. This is exclusive report. This was the video. This was the video. And here you visit the official website, link here, complete the registration form, await a call from the platform manager. Right? With a news reporter. I cannot find that video. It sometimes says with a news reporter talking about the video. Alright, so that was the kind of link. This link, it can be a big scam. You see how it is written? Choose your desired amount and receive your first payout. Complete bullshit. Alright, so this is what I wanted to share. They open up a company, they get a lot of people around them, all their own people, all of them own people, and their motive is to make you invest, deposit and invest. Very, very possible. Never rely on a manager, and never actually go for this thing about investing your money like this. Alright, so this is all I wanted to share with you. Take care everyone, stay safe and happy. Do share this video as much as you can to raise the awareness. Raise awareness. It is much required to raise awareness regarding these kind of scams. So please share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Take care everyone, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.